In today's video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you the proper way to fill these holes that get made by those pesky drywall anchors, or for shelving or anything else that you were to have put in just straight into the drywall. In this case, that was a shelf that was in my garage. I'm going to fix those because I'm going to finish off this wall. That way it can be textured and painted and everything as well. So the proper way to go about this is you have, obviously, I pulled out the drywall anchors.